Oh, no. The creek got flooded after all the rain, but we're still out here. Gonna be tossing this micro crankbait. See if we hook onto something. Fish on right away. I think I landed right in its face. Let's see what she is. Nice little sandy. Here's a little glance of the crankbait. It's a bomber. It's about 2 inches. White belly, purple and black back. And it only dives like 3 feet at the deepest. We're gonna add this one to the stringer. We already got like 5 on here, 4 or 5. Good mix of sand bass and crappie. Let's go. Let's keep casting before the sun sets. Doo-doo-doo-doo.